the end of the weekend, but I still wanna turn up. Yeah, I still wanna turn up. All I want is to go again, but you ain't picking your phone up. Why you messing my head up? Any night, any day, let me take you away. All I need is just saying yeah, 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 yeah. Better nights, better days, when you're here with me, babe. Cause you're all that I crave, so I wonder, where are you? Where are you? Don't hide away from me when I need you most. We got love guaranteed, and I have to know, say, where are you? Don't be so hard to reach, just pick up your phone. Tell me where you'll be, cause I gotta know. Let me know when you're ready, cause I made reservations. Too many invitations, and the last night was heavy. I need communication. Tell me where's your location. Used to talk 24/7, every other second, just to make sure we were up to date. Now it's closer to 11, and I ain't hearing nothing. I just need to know that you're okay. Where are you? Baby, don't hide away from me when I need you most. We got love guaranteed, and I have to know, say, where are you? Hey, don't be so hard to reach, just pick up your phone. Tell me where you'll be, cause I gotta know. Any night, any day, let me take you away. All I need is you saying yeah, yeah, yeah. Better nights, better days, when you're here with me, babe. Cause you're all I crave, so I wonder, where are you? Baby, don't hide away from me when I need you most. We got love guaranteed, and I have to know, say, don't be so hard to reach, just pick up your phone. Tell me where you'll be, cause I gotta know.
Hey, come on in, beautiful babes. Let me give about 60 seconds of your time. Come on.
Never stop, I'll get it if I want it. Gotta make to myself a promise. I won't quit, keep going till I got it. I won't give up till I'm on top.
Yo,
yeah.
no, I ain't the type to give up. If I do something, man, I do it till I get what I want. I turn a business out of nothing into something I love. I got a poker face, but honestly, I'm not one to bluff. I flip a switch, never miss, man, I always stay up. Don't let them see you, bitch, always have a plan to stay tough. This life ahead of you ain't easy, it was built to be rough. But that's what makes a personality, is tragedy, bruh. So keep your head on your shoulders. Now we ain't out here moving rocks, we out here moving boulders. Now we ain't getting posterized, we out here making posters. And we ain't got nothing to hide, we move forward like soldiers. You better wake up for the pay stub, or you'll pay up. Don't make love to the game, bruh, fuck the game up. Change up.
What it took to making you like a blossom of a tree, or the color of a jewel. So divine is the feeling that I find, like a sweet mountain breeze and a fragment of my mind. I said, darling, you are all I want for sure. Darling, give me everything and more. I said, darling, ooh, yeah, girl, you know know I miss you.
What is up, beautiful babes? Happy Sunday. Listen, what's up, beautiful babes? Your girl, Sweet Angel. My goodness, it's been an eventful week. Y'all, I am taking a little bit of a break on my exercise today because I've been doing so well. I'm so happy about the progress, and I'm going to keep it up because it's almost like I'm addicted to it. I get up excited now about hitting my workout room, my little transformation station room, whatever you want to call it. It is it, baby, and I'm super excited about it. So I'm gonna keep it up, and y'all have been so gracious to check out my videos. Thank you so much. I've been having such an exciting week.
Usually I don't post. Usually I don't post, but I want the world to know. Time to pull the drop tops out. Summer nights, it's a vibe, yeah. We've been keeping it in the house. Netflix and chillin', I GDM'in', yeah. Didn't wanna share my love till I found someone I'm sure of. Young and untamed, I've been out of range, keeping it low, but I wanna be bold with it. Don't care.
It's so cute. You know I love Twizzlers. Well, I'm going back to the cleaning stuff. It's just a hot mess over here. Excuse us. Try it.
It's awesome, so be good.
I'll get two of those then. I didn't know you wanted it. At first I was gonna get it, but then I said, you don't want that one. Get two of them then. Oh, they really done changed now. They done made the bottle smaller. That is so wrong.
Hey, one of them boys make the bottle small.
They tighten them tops up because they top speed. Crazy off.
This way.
You are fine, you're fine. I'm just looking for you.
No, it's just like way coming this way. I heard you say I was fine. I know that.
He's doing it today.
Every day, baby. Every day. Non-stop.
What's happening for my bathroom? Now, you know, you want anything you get in the line of cars, don't you?
It's okay.
Okay.
You got money? I don't worry about nothing, baby. Not when you around. We need some dish detergent. Did you want to get it at the store? Or you want to just get a little bottle here?
Who?
Some dishwashing liquid.
Go get it.
It don't take much for us anymore. We just do whatever.
Yep.
refrigerator out. That's all we need.
Kids, I get to survive. Oh, I can't.
Maneuver. Want to take them off? Alright, got that done. Y'all, I just love going to Dollar Tree for my cleaning supplies. Shoot, why not? Why not? I mean, it's all good. Yes, it is. It's all good. We are here, baby. La, 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 da, 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 da. Ooh. Was that heavy, Mike? He got the heavy bags. I got the light ones. I got one and some candy on the other arm. Yes, sir. Well, all right. This is it. I'm going to get me something to eat, and I'll let y'all know.
Well, baby, got a hold on it. Let love unfold tonight. They'll be calling us gold. No lie, so fair with it. You can let them stare at it. Now I'm prepared. So instead of love out loud, since we ain't going nowhere. So tonight.
Well, what we have for dinner is a crispy crab roll from Japan House. Anywho, I just want to close out the video. Thank you all again so much for your everlasting support. You've been amazing to me, and I thank you so much. Y'all, we're getting ready to head out and hang out for just a little bit, Mike and I will catch y'all in the next one. Take care until then, and please tell everybody where you're hanging out at right here. And you know how you gonna do that? What I always say, yeah, you got it. Share me with your world. See ya.
Outside, usually I don't post. Usually I don't post, but I want the world to know. I'm a good catch, but I never let them catch me. No, I never let them claim me. Wild thing try to take